In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check all your downliners. If you have somebody who has signed using your link and you want to see if they really signed using your link and they verified and activated their account, this video is for you. Before we go any further, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly do so. Share this video, like this video, and comment what you want me to talk about in the next video. Without wasting much of your time, let's go into our account. I'll log in into mine. Upon successful logging in, I want you to click down here where it says home. Let's cancel this advert. When you are on a home page, the first thing you do, you come where it says referral and earn. Here you click on it. It will take you to the referral page. Here every person who signs with your link will be shown here. There's earn up to 100% commission on every trade across spot futures transactions. So your referral code and link. For me, I have this referral code here.
Okay.
So
this is what we're talking about.
I have 17 referrals, and out of 17, 2 people have activated their accounts. These are active members. The total, there are 17. Out of these 17, 2 people are active members, and these are the people that funded their account and are active. The rest, they only registered and they are not active. So my total commission from these 2, it is $2. Now what you do is, here is a scale showing you the number of people and the level where you are. Here it shows level, commission, and commissions in total. So I'm on level 1, and level 1 there are 17 there. Out of the 17, there are 2 people that are active, and I got $2 as commission from their trades. Now if I want to check these people who are active and these 17 people who registered under me, I will click here where it says first level friends. I click on it. As you can see, it brings the account and time registered. So you will check their email. For instance, this one here, it's the email starts with this and this. So I'll be able to know my downliner. If I ask my downliner's email, what's the email address you used, they'll tell me, oh, I used this email. Then I'll know that this is their email and they registered, but they have not verified their account. That's why it's in red. It says not verified. There is also this one here who registered on this date and not verified. There is this one who verified their account and they are active and they funded their account. It shows blue here and it shows activated. So the 2 people out of the 17 are this one also. This one activated their account. If the account is verified but it is not funded, it shows like this. So for this person, verified their account and the verification was approved, but they've not just funded their account. So they end up being like this. The red not verified is not there. The activated tag is not there because these guys, they've not funded their account, they only verified it. So all these, they are the people that have joined under me. Thank you very much. In this video, like I said, I was showing you how you can check again. If you did not understand this video, start it from the first. See how you can verify and know the people under you, and you'll be able to know. You can contact those you know are your downliners and ask for the email address. Which email address did you use? You'll be able to see, and you'll be able to see the date and the time when they registered under your link. If you found value in the video, kindly subscribe, like, and share this video for more content. Thank you very much. God bless you.